What's going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be discussing, well, this sneaker right here. Keep in mind, these did drop a little bit ago, right? And the prices have come down a pretty significant amount. So basically we're going to be discussing why the prices have come down. Some of y'all have been asking for an update video, so I got you. We're going to do that today, and yeah, basically discuss what's happened with the prices. Why have they dropped so much? Which I think the answer is pretty easy, actually, in terms of, why this has been dropped in price. Go look at most really expensive sneakers right now. They haven't been going up in price like that. Why? Because, well, people don't have tons of cash right now. So I think that's a pretty easy answer for most people, you know what I mean? So we'll kind of get into it, and I hope you guys will enjoy. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. My Instagram's down below if you ever want to buy something off me, along with my TikTok lives. Been grinding there daily, so I think we went live there today. We actually had a ton of stuff landing yesterday, so sorting through all that today, and tomorrow we're gonna have a lot more land as well. So just really these next few days, sorting, doing a few items, packing a lot today as well. So we should have time to go live and do a little, at least some items today. So yeah, that'll be fun. I'm gonna try and see the fam. And yeah, we're going to do an update video on, well, the Travis Scott Fragment 2.0. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's make the update on these. So first things first, before we kind of actually get into StockX, looking at the prices there, things like that, I want to just give a couple reasons, right? So obviously still a wearable sneaker. You got all the extra laces with it. I mean, it's a really nice colorway. Again, I'm still going to go around to get my pair within the next couple weeks because prices are going to stay at least low for a couple more weeks, right? And I'm like, you know what? I want my pair before the summer because I feel like over the summer, these will at least creep up a little bit. Now is that time where you should look to get your pair, right? Because actually, from now, I feel like they could go back above 1,000, right? At this $800 range they're at right now, I easily feel like they could head back up to kind of, 1,000, 1,200, and that's still a $200, $400 rise right there. So definitely think about that. Most people probably aren't looking at the fragment lows as a hold anymore. But I feel like there's a decent opportunity to buy back in right now. I feel like, again, this is still a popular model. The Travis Scott hype isn't done. I feel like there's some potential on these in the future to maybe get a little pricier, but we'll see. We'll see, right? That's just a little small prediction, just because they've dipped so much recently. So that's a first thing we can say. But I think a couple reasons right off the bat that we can mention in terms of why these have dropped in price a lot is because, A, people don't have tons of cash right now. There's a lot going on, so I feel like a lot of people are just kind of saving their money right now. And what's another thing I can mention? With these, there ended up being a little bit more pairs than we thought. That's also another thing we can mention. There ended up being a little bit of a larger backdoor. And I think this is also something that we have to kind of keep in mind is there's been a lot of fire releases dropping recently. And I think people have just kind of been clearing out, right, pairs of these that they've been holding on to for some of those upcoming drops. Because a lot of people have thrown a ton of money into these, right? I was one of those people too. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just go clear out a couple to put into, some Supreme or other things that I can flip right now and not have to wait on the hold. And I think this is what a lot of people have done recently with this sneaker. A lot of people try to just go clear this sneaker and sell this sneaker to clear some cash for other drops. And when obviously a lot of people try and do that at once, what happens to the price of a shoe? It can tank, and that is exactly what happened with this shoe right here. So I'm gonna pull up the StockX and show y'all what happened because, again, this happens. This is not uncommon, unfortunately. That's why a lot of the time, quick flips are best. That's what I've been doing most recently. All right, but as you guys can see, we do have the screen recording up and taking a look at these. You can see not a ton of sales over the last few days. Just been pretty chill and relaxed. And you can see kind of the range of prices we're at right now, kind of the 760 to 820 range, which after fees and all that, again, probably like 850, 900, right? But aside from that, looking again where we're at right now on the sneaker, I do feel like, again, there's a lot of potential for these to head back up in price. Again, look what these were at previously. Just look. And it was for a while too. Look, for a while. Look at these prices. Again, they could easily, again, and they've stopped dropping as you can see over the last couple weeks, right? Because this is kind of that bottom, that 850 range, right? But I feel like they're going to kind of, do this again, slowly, over time. It's going to be it's going to look a lot more slow and drawn out than this, right? But I feel like we're going to head back to at least this range right here, right? Kind of this 1100 to 1300 range right here. I feel like we could easily get back here if you just give it a year. So I feel like now it's definitely a good opportunity to buy back in. The reason I say this is because look what the Fragment Nike Mind slides go for. Guys, there are slides selling for more. Look, highest bid 750, last sale 950. Fragment low, ready? Look, 806, 785. 806, that's lower than the slide. I know the Fragment Nike Mind slides are super limited, but this is a sneaker you can wear anywhere. The slides you can't wear anywhere. Those are slides. You know what I mean? So these are going to go back up in price, at least a little bit. They're too low in price right now. I mean, you have other Fragment collaborations that are not even sneakers going for $800 or $950 last sale. Excuse me, I'm undercutting. But yeah, that's what I think, man. I think this will definitely head back up in price. I think they've, again, just been deflated a lot recently because once people start selling a lot of one shoe, then you're just going to kind of start seeing it continue. And it was kind of like the snowball effect, if that makes sense. That's basically what happened to this sneaker. One person started selling, then 2, then 5, then 10, then everyone started selling the shoe off, and it started to become a fire sale, basically. And now that's kind of chilled out and stopped, as you can see, where we've kind of gotten to the $850, $800 range, and that's kind of where the bottom is right now. And I think this is honestly a really good time to buy the shoe. I feel like we are going to see these head back up in price a little bit. You go look at even most fragment color, or not fragment colorways, Travis Scott sneakers that are regular colorways that aren't fragment collaborations. Go look at what those go for. Some are $1,200, $1,400. I think there's like, the Black Phantom Travis Scott. So those right here? No, those are Velvet Brown. Where's an example here? I'm trying to, give me a second. Like, you see what I mean? Like, look what the reverse mochas go for. Like, if the reverse mochas are going for $1,300 to $1,500, these can easily get back up to $1,100, $1,300. Like, no doubt. This is a fragment collab on top of that, too. Like, these can easily head back up in price. So, with the fragment lows, I'd say patience is the main thing. If you don't want to, sell them for the low right now, then just wait. I think they'll head back up in price a decent amount because they're just super low right now. And it was that snowball effect. Again, everyone was selling them. It caused a fire sale. It caused prices to tank down like this. I mean, have you ever seen this before with Travis Scott lows? No. So I think this is definitely kind of that opportunity where you can kind of look at it as like, hey, they're going to at least come back up in price a little bit because the Travis Scott hype isn't done. There's just a lot going on right now. People aren't buying $1,000, $1,200, $1,400 shoes as much right now. If you look at what types of sneakers are selling the most right now, it's smaller, more affordable ones. YSL1 slides, small little accessories like Supreme socks, boxers, things like that. Those are the types of things that are making the most sales, right? So then just think about what people are buying the most. Smaller, more affordable, not as expensive kicks. $150, $200 shoes or $300 shoes, you know what I mean? Not $1,000 ones. So I think that's kind of what I can say about these. These will head back up in price over the summer, but they tanked in price recently because people aren't buying, super, super expensive shoes right now. And also they were inflated a bit in price. But also, I think it was just mainly that snowball effect. A couple people started selling them, and then everyone started selling them. Why that happened, I don't know. But there was also a little bit more pairs of these out there than people thought, I think. So that's another thing they mentioned about the fragment lows. I was a little bit wrong about my prediction on those. I'm not going to lie, which it hurts me a bit. But is what it is. I did buy a decent amount of pairs of those. So, we took an L slightly, but it's fine. I mean, I'm not, how could I put this? I mainly, I focused on, like, accessories and things like that. I basically found what's worked for me recently over the last few months. So I've just been doing that. And, this was just a few months ago. I bought them. I was like, this should do pretty good. Hey, didn't expect that. But it happens. So, you know what? No sore losers here. We're good about it. But if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal. We will shoot for 300 likes. So if you want to check out any of my socials, anything like that down below, feel free to drop a comment. Let me know if you bought into the sneaker as well. I bought a decent amount of them, like a lot. But, hey, you can't win every one, seriously. So, like, it's fine. Well, you can, but, it's just like, you take an L sometimes. You got to. It is what it is, Can't be in it forever. So, yeah, I'm cool with it. On to the next release. I mean, we actually do have some really cool sneaker drops on the way. I'll preview all that stuff on the channel here. We had a ton of streetwear land yesterday, so I'm actually super happy about that. And yeah, make sure y'all check out the lives, Instagram pages. You ever want to buy off me, all that's linked down below. I post stuff for sale every single day on my Instagram store, and I'm live almost daily on TikTok as well. I'll be on eBay shortly too. I got a little onboarding call I'm doing this week, so we should be on eBay within the next week or two. I know I've been saying that, but they've been taking their sweet time with me as well, so I'm sure they're busy. But yeah, we're gonna be on some really big locations soon, man. Getting partnered with some big boys, basically. So just stay tuned, man. The work's been paying off, and I appreciate you guys. We're going to get some more work done today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on that next one. Hopefully I can catch you guys then. I'm Tristan. Thank you all. Here's a photo of my little cat, too, Luna. Me a little chubby baby. All right. That's it. See y'all on the next one tomorrow, and I will catch you guys then. Peace out, squad.